right, everybody, welcome back. I am Dr. Blumenthal here in the DC office with Natural Transplants, and we are so thrilled. We have Catricia back with us. Catricia, it's been a year. Good to see you again.
Yes,
Yeah.
likewise. Thanks, Dr. Blumenthal.
I saw the after. You sent us some pictures after. I was just looking at the before pictures, and you have had quite the transformation. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for changing my life.
My pleasure. Like as I told you before, the smile says everything. When I see that smile, I know it's a home run. But catch everybody up. Let us sort of know how the year went, the good, the bad, the ups and the downs, and how you're liking the results.
Honestly, when you told me just don't look in the mirror every day, don't pay attention to it, the year went by fast.
Yeah.
The first beginning, I didn't follow Dr. Bloom's orders, and I had the swelling going on.
I told you. I say it for a reason. Ice for a reason.
Listen,
Yeah.
Ice, what do you say? Ice. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you're going to be swollen.
Yeah.
Look like you got beat up by Mike Tyson.
Yes. It can happen. Yeah.
But other than that, I had no issues. The hair started growing fast, and when I went to go get my stitches taken out, you complimented me like this is the cleanest scalp I ever seen.
You did a great job of cleaning.
The hair was already growing over the stitches. You was like, man, if these were blue, I would have a hard time finding them.
Yeah.
So
yeah. All right.
After
Excellent.
those stitches came out, I did my natural hair care routine. I took my multivitamins. I just stayed healthy and hydrated.
Good.
And the growth just kept going and going. I honestly had 1 year hair journal diary of how long my hair was growing and how thickening was. It just had like a little density in the middle, but as you explained, it start coming in out of laser phase, and I'm okay with that because it's better than not having anything that I have.
You've come a long way. Yeah, absolutely. And you had mentioned that some of your family and friends had noticed the transformation as well.
Oh my God, yes. I go to the hair salon, and my my hairstylist always show where the incision was, and it has grown out like that long, and they're like, oh my God, I remember I couldn't even braid it, and all the other ladies who's getting their hair done, they was like, who's your doctor again? I think I would go to them. And my family, they're scared of surgery.
Yeah.
And they're even saying, yeah, we're going to your doctor.
I got to give you some cards to hand out at your
I gave
your
your
ladies.
IG page. Don't worry.
You're sweet.
I give them directly
That's
to your
why
IG page.
I was wondering why it blew up all of a sudden. I was like, what's going on? That's you. That was due to you. Thank you. I love it. It looks so fantastic. If you were, there's people watching here that just like you, that sort of, that kind of thinking about it for a couple years maybe, and are looking at the videos. What advice would you give them knowing what you do now?
Do it. Don't hesitate. Don't think you're going to have a lot of pain. I'm sorry.
There you go.
Don't think you're going to have a lot of pain. I mean, I was anxious about the needle of, the pain, the numbiness of it, but I was asleep the whole, you have a video of it.
I don't know if you moved. I know. I had to shake you every now and then to make sure you're still breathing.
Yeah.
I know.
I was out, and I didn't feel anything. So do it. Don't hesitate to change your life. Get your edges back.
Yeah. It is. I mean, you have had such an incredible journey, incredible transformation. Do me a favor. So we're like I said, we're going to overlay the before pictures on you, but just sort of put your head down just a little bit and hold it for a couple seconds. And you started way back. I mean, you've had quite the growth.
Yeah, I was back here.
I know. It is amazing. And then look back at me again, and then pick a side, either right or left, and put your head back. Yeah, there you go. And you can see. And then other side. Wonderful. Man. Incredible. It is incredible. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you for sharing your journey with us. Welcome to the family, Catricia. You did fantastic. And we're here if you ever need us, okay?
Thanks, Doc.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.